What's up? Welcome back. My sign name. Today we are learning where to learn ASL or just sign or whatever. There's so many different ways you can learn it. I had someone in my comments say, "Oh, I can't do that. I can't do that." You can. You just have to look for it and try. So you can go online, look at YouTube, look at a lot of other deaf resources, learn from deaf creators about ASL if you want to learn about the culture and community. But if you don't want to learn online and you want to actually interact with deaf people, which I highly suggest, go to your local school for the deaf, or you can go on Facebook and look for ASL or deaf groups that meet in your state. Or you can go on different forums and chat with deaf people. There is just so many ways to connect and learn